Hey there. So let's open unwrap a gift. This is a nice tool that I received from my company for New Year. First I thought it's a pen maybe, then I realized no, it's not a pen. It's actually a DYI toolkit. So it does comes with all kinds of screw openers. You got your flatties, Phillips and everything. So let's put one, maybe this one, and remaining all go back to space again. Pretty cute, time, money and space saver. I don't know how many of you guys have one of these, but you do need that all the time. Oh yeah, you remember this guy? Look. Bye bye. See you on next one.